What's going on, guys? It's Nick. The topic I want to bring up is the fact that you apply for different credit cards, and let's say, for example, you get denied. A good idea would be to go to the different banks that you want to get cards with, and set up a banking relationship first. If your credit's not where it needs to be, show that you have money going in and out, their account. Like I say, you have a checking account, open up another checking account, open up a savings account. Use their products, use their services. American Express, a lot of people don't talk about it. They have a savings account. Utilize a savings account if you get denied. Barclays, they have a savings account. Utilize the savings account. Build a banking relationship with them. Show them that you want to utilize their products. We talk a lot about AUs and primaries and different things like that. But the main thing is a banking relationship. To show them that you have money that you say you have going in and out that account. Show that you want to further that business relationship, that banking relationship. Like you got American Express, they have a savings account. They don't just have credit cards. They got savings accounts and CDs. You got a little extra cash, go ahead and throw a few $100 into a CD or a savings account. Build a relationship. Citibank doesn't just have credit cards. People talk a lot about the credit cards, but they're also a bank. They have investments. They have checkings and savings. Utilize that. Like Chase Bank, they're a bank. Citibank, Barclays, bank. Utilize it. Investing. You have a IRA or any type of investment. Take that and move it over to Citi or Capital One or whoever. Tradelines, that's cool. Primaries, that's cool, but don't ever neglect the power of a banking relationship. Let's say you've been in business with them, for a few years, or a few months, and you get denied a credit card. It won't be nothing to go inside a branch like Capital One or Chase, sit down with one of the representatives, talk to them, build a personal relationship with them. It's nothing for them to write a letter of recommendation for you to get that card. Just something to take into account the next time you get denied. Never neglect the power of a strong banking relationship, especially when you need money. Because if you show that you have money and show that you're responsible, the banks will give you money. American Express, they're giving out platinums like it's nothing. Like I got a buddy of mine, he got approved for 3 platinum cards for all 3 of his business, each $25,000. Charge cards, but hey, they're willing to give it. But utilize the banking relationship with these banks. Guys, just a quick tip I want to drop on you guys. I don't hear anybody talking about any more information that you need. Don't hesitate to hit me up. My phone number will be in the description. If you want to get my ebook, it'll be in the description as well. But yeah, guys, something to think about. A banking relationship with these banks. All right, I'll talk to you soon.